Hi, my name is Akash Bhatia and my project partner is Rohit. This is our dashboard for CSE 560 for visualization and visual analytics. The dataset that we have chosen to use for this project is the accidents within the US from 2016 to 2019. This was obtained from Kaggle. Our goal of this project is to identify weather conditions that are common for different types of accidents in order to identify which weather conditions are actually important and need to be looked at before going for a drive. The data set looks like this. It contains the severity of the accident, the location of the accident, the different weather conditions that were prevalent during the accident, as well as the city and the state of the accident. The severity ranges from 1 to 4. For this dashboard, we have created four main visualizations: a map of the US, which is used to filter the dashboard, a parallel coordinate chart, which is used to see the cumulative effect of all the weather conditions on a particular accident, a bar plot, which is to see the overall number of accidents within a state or a country, or within the state or a city, as well as a 2D scatter plot to see the top two PC vectors of the data set. My project partner Rohit will now take you through the dashboard as well as the features of our dashboard.
Coming to the dashboard, there are four visualizations presented in this project. The first one is the US map with color-coded zones indicating the number of accidents occurred in each state. The mapping between the color and the number of accidents occurred is presented in the scale to the left of the US map. Upon mouse hover on any of the US states, we can see the state name and the number of accidents occurred in that state. The second graph is the parallel coordinate graph, which analyzes the effect of weather conditions on the severity level of accidents. Using mouse hover, we can select a particular severity level accidents and view its corresponding weather parameters. The third graph is the PCA scatter plot, which is plotted by reducing the dimensions of the data to 2, and the PC1 and PC2 vectors are plotted in this graph. The last graph in this dashboard is the bar chart, which shows the number of accidents occurred in each state in US. And on mouse hover, we can see the state name and number of accidents occurred in that state. So far, we have seen the state level statistics of accident data in US. To get a more detailed view, we can click on any of the states in the US map, and we can see the city level statistics of the selected state in all the other graphs. So in the parallel coordinate graph, we can see the accidents occurred in US based on its severity level, and we can view its corresponding weather parameters. The same goes for the PCA scatter plot, and in the bar chart, we can see the number of accidents occurred in each city in Texas state in descending order. And on mouse over, we can see the number of accidents occurred in that particular city. Now there are some cities in Texas state whose bar height is very less compared to some of the other cities. So to get a more comprehensive comparison, we can click on this checkbox, which shows the logarithmic height of the bars, and we can make a better comparison in this view. To go back to the original view, we can simply uncheck this checkbox and it resets to the original view, which shows the number of accidents occurred in each city. So now to view the statistics of particular set of cities, we can use the brushing technique implemented, where we can keep increasing the number of cities or we can keep decreasing the number of cities. And again, we can slide the window we have selected so that the number of cities remains same but the set of cities keeps changing. Now we have seen the city level statistics of a Texas state, and to see the city level statistics of some other state, we can simply click on the other state. Now all the graphs here are showing the statistics of the New York state. And finally, to go back to the original state level statistics view, we can click on the button provided below the US map, which upon clicking updates all the other graphs to show the state level statistics of accident data in the US.